Hello dear students and welcome back again to your channel. Now today we are starting, in this video we are starting question number 3rd. So let us quickly start our third question without wasting our much time. So first part of our third question, in an AP. So you are given so many AP in so many parts. There are 10 parts. So the first part is A equals to 5, D equals to 3, A and a term equals to 50. You have to find n and sum of n terms. Okay. So now let us start. What is n? For finding n we will use this formula. A and a term equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. And a term is 50 equals to A plus n. We have to A, we knows what is A, 5 plus n, we have to find how many terms are there, into D, what is D, 3. Okay, bring it this side. 45 equals to n minus 1 into 3, which shows n minus 1 equals to 45 divided by 3. 3 ones are 3. 15, n equals to 16. So there are number of terms is equals to 16. So now we have to find this, we have already got. Now we want this. Therefore sum of n terms equals to n by 2. One formula is 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So we can get this this short formula a plus n. Why? Because last term is given to us. Okay. So sum of n terms equals to, what is n? 16 terms. Okay. So we can write, therefore sum of 16 terms equals to 16 upon 2. What is a? 5 plus l is 50. So 2 it's a 16 into 55. So 5 it's a 40. 4 5 is a 40. 44. 440 is your sum. Okay. So now quickly start our second part. Okay. So these are 10 parts, but these are very easy. We have to only find what is asked to us and all the values are given to us. Okay. What is second part now? A equals to 7. A 13 equals to 35. We have to find D and sum of 13 term. Okay. So now what is given to us? 13 term. So A 13 equals to 35, which is given to us. Please use that only. Okay, we don't have to use something else. What is given to us? Use that only. We have to use this. 13 term, A plus n minus 1 into D, A plus 12D equals to 35. So what is A? 7 plus 12D equals to 35. So 12D equals to 35 minus 7, 28. D equals to 28 upon 12. 2 6 are 12, 2 is 2, 2 4 is 8, 2 3 is 6, 2 7 is 14. That means D equals to 7 upon 3. Okay. So now we got D, we got A. Now sum of 13 terms. 13 terms means S of 13 is given to us is n by 2. We use the formula this one. Sum of n terms equals to n by 2. See, D we already got. Okay. 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Now we will use this formula. Why? Because the last term is not given to us. Okay. Now sum of 13 term. In the place of n 13. 13 upon 2. 2 into what is a? 7 plus n. 13 term का निकाल रहे हैं तो 13 minus 1 12 हो जाएगा. ठीक है. So 12 into what is d? 7 upon 3. 3 4s are 12. Okay. So sum of 13 term equals to 13 upon 2. 14 plus 28. So what will get? 13 upon 2 into 42. Okay. So 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 13 into 21. So we'll do in rough 13 into 21. 3 2s are 6, 3 and 2 1s are 2. 273. So both we get sum of 13 third and D. We got both the things. Okay, unknown. So what we are doing? Nothing we are doing. We are just using what we are given to us. Okay, so we don't have to use with our own mind. So what is given to us was simply, if I put the value of that, the terms, the next step already you will get from the question only. Okay, so everything is given to us. Nothing we have to do. We have to keep the value of that. Now what is the third part? A12 equals to 37, D equals to 3. You have to find the value of A and sum of 12 terms. Okay. So now, what is the value we will get? What is given to us? A12. So we will start from A12 equals to 37. A12 term. So A plus n minus 1 into D. In a term card definition, A plus n minus 1, 12 minus 1, 11D equals to 37. Value of D is given to us. So A plus, what is given to us? You use that. Okay. 11 into D is 3 equals to 37. A plus 33 equals to 37, which shows A equals to 37 minus 33. 4. Okay. Now what we should get, we got A. Now we want sum of 12 terms. Okay, therefore sum of 12 terms equals to n by 2, 2A plus n minus 1 into D. Okay, so sum of 12 terms equals to 12 upon 2. Here we can write n. So this is the formula. Sum of 12 terms, in the place of this you can write 2 into, what is the value of A? We got 4 plus n minus, n is 12 terms. Okay. So 12 minus 1, 11 into, what is D? D is 3. So solve it only. 2 6 are 12. So sum of 12 term equals to 6. 4 2 are 8 plus 33. That means 6 into 41. So 6 into 6, 246. So sum of 12 term is 246. Now quickly we can start our fourth part. Okay. So hope you are practicing with me. Hope you are doing in your rough notebook. Okay. So please do in your rough notebook. It should not be told to you again and again, because now you are a mature students. You should know what is good for you and what is bad for you. A3 is given to you 15. Sum of 10 terms equals to 125. You have to find D and A10. Okay. A10 means 10th term. Okay. So now third term is given to you. So first use this. A3 equals to 15. So A plus 2D. You can write in the place of this 15. And you don't know the value of anything. Equation number 1. Now this is sum of, this is your fourth part, sum of 10 terms. So this is 10. So now we will use sum of 10 terms equals to n by 2, 2A plus n minus 1 into D. What is D? We don't know. Okay. So sum of 10 terms is given 125. 5 into 2A plus 9D. Okay. So I can send 5 in denominator. So we'll get 5 will come here. So it will become 5 2s are 10. 2 5 5s are 25. Okay. Equals to 2A plus 9D. Equation number 2. Okay. So now we will solve these two, multiplying equation 1 by 2 and then subtracting from this. Okay. So equation 1 multiplied by 2 and subtracted from equation 2. Okay. So first I am writing equation 2. 2A plus 9D equals to 25. This is your second equation, and then you can do. Now this is equation number 2, and now we will multiply this by 2, so it will become 2A plus 2 to the 4D plus equals to 15 to the 30. So let me say this is equation number 1 dash. Subtract it, so what you will get, 5D equals to minus 5. So D is equals to minus 1. Okay. So we got D is equals to minus 1. Substituting the value of D in equation number 1. So from equation 1, what is equation 1? Let us write equation 1. A plus 2D equals to 15. So A plus 2 into minus 1 equals to 15. So A minus 2 equals to 15. So A is equals to 17. So we got the value of A is equals to 17. So now what we have to do now? We have to find the 10th term. Okay. So let us find the 10th term. So what is the, which formula we will use? an1. Okay. So by a nth term equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. So in the place of n now we will put 10. A 10th term is equals to what is a? A we got 17 plus 10 minus 1 9. What d we got? Minus 1. So 17 minus 9 we got 8. Okay. So the answer is 8. Now we will move in fifth part. Hope this is clear to you and you are practicing in your rough notebook. Okay. So now let us move to fifth part of a exercise, question number 3. Okay. And those who are doing calculation fast, so they should practice more. And those who are not able to do the calculation with me, they have to practice a lot. Okay, so this should be clear to you. Fifth part, d equals to 5. Then sum of 9 term is equals to given 75. You have to find a and a ninth term. Okay, so this we should use. So sum of 9 term equals to 75. Sum, the formula of sum, Sn is equals to we can use n by 2. N means 9 upon 2. 2a plus n minus 1, 9 minus 1 into d, 5 equals to 75. And here we will write by this formula, Sn is equals to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, now we should 2 I am sending in numerator, 9 I am sending in denominator. Okay, so 2a plus 9 minus 1, 8. 5 8 is 40 equals to 75 into 2 upon 9. 40 we can send this side, so 2a equals to 150 upon 9 minus 40. So we have to take the LCM. So what I can do? 9 into 9. Okay, so 2a equals to 9 is the LCM. So 150 minus 9 for the 36, 360. So 2a equals to 0, 6 minus 5, 1, and 3 minus 1, 2. 210 divided by 9. So 3 3s are 9, 3 7s are 21, 0. So this is minus. So a is equals to minus 70 upon 3. 2 income in denominator. So 35 2s are 70. So a is equals to minus 35 upon 3. Okay. So we got this. Now we got a. Now what we want? A ninth term. Okay. So now what we'll write? We will write the very first the formula a nth term equals to. Okay. So I am writing a nth term equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. In the place of n I should write 9. A ninth term is equals to a minus 35 upon 3 plus nth term 9 minus 1 8. D is 5. Okay. So now a ninth term equals to minus 35 upon 3. 5 8s are 40. Now I can take the LCM 3 into 3. So 3 minus 35 plus 4 3s are 12. 120. So 10 minus 5 5. Here 1 is left. 11 minus 3 8. Okay. 85 upon 3 minus. No, sorry, plus. So this is our ninth term. So this was our fifth part. Okay. So now let us quickly move to sixth part. So what is our sixth part, beta? Please do the calculation with me. Okay. So your calculation should be as fast and better than me. Okay. It should be better than me. So sixth part is a equals to 2, d equals to 8, and sum of nth term equals to 90. You have to find n and a nth term. Okay, so this we have to give in. We have to use this. Sum of nth term equals to 90. So we can use Sum of nth term is equals to n by 2. 2a plus n minus 1 into d equals to 90. So from here we will get the value of n. Okay. So what is n? We don't know. 2 into a we knows plus n we don't know. D we knows 8 equals to 90. Okay. 2 I am sending this side. So n 4 plus 8n minus 8 opening the bracket equals to 2 is in numerator, 90 into 2 180. Okay, open the bracket, 4n 8. Acha, first we will solve this. Okay, so n into plus minus 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 4 plus 8n equals to 180. So minus 4n plus 8n square equals to 180. 180 will bring this side, so we can write 8n square very first. Minus 4n minus 180 equals to 0. We can divide this equation by 4. So what will 4 2s are 8, n square minus n minus 4 4s are 16, 20 4 5s are 20 equals to 0. अब हमारे पास क्या है? We have to do it by quadratic equation. ठीक है, 45 2s are 90. 90 को हमें ब्रेकअप ऐसे करना है कि माइनस 1 आए, तो 10 9s are 90 we can do, है ना. तो 10 में से 9 माइनस किया 1 आता है, तो माइनस 10 प्लस 9. So 2n square minus 10n plus 9n minus 45 equals to 0. So 2 common, n common, so what is n minus 5 plus 9 common, n minus 9 5s are 45 equals to 0. So 2n plus 9 and n minus 5 equals to 0. One by one we will take both equals to 0. So here from where n is equals to minus 9 upon 2, and from here n minus 5 is equals to 0, n is equals to 5. Okay, so we get two values of n from here. This is the sixth part. So negative we will not take. Why? Because the number of terms cannot be in negative. कितने counting numbers होते हैं 1 2 3 4, तो negative में नहीं हो सकते. So therefore n is equals to 5. So we will take n equals to 5. So we got the value of n. So now we will find the value of nth term. Okay, we can write, since number of terms cannot be negative, therefore n equals to 5. Okay, so now what we should do, we will write the value of nth term. So therefore a nth term equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. What is a? 2 plus n we got 5. What is d? 8. So nth term we will get, last term 2 plus 4 into 8, 2 plus 32. So that means nth term is 34. Okay, clear this one? So let us start the next part. That is your 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th. 4 parts are left. Okay, so this exercise is little lengthy, but separately when in examination you will get the question, you will not get all the questions. Okay, you will get only one part out of this. Right now we are practicing, that's why we have to do all the parts. Okay, 7th part. A equals to 8. A nth term equals to 62. Last term is given to you. Sn equals to 210. You have to find the value of n and d. Okay. Okay. This will take as nth term equals to 210. That means n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay. So beta, this a nth term is given to you. That means we are given l. So we can use a plus l1 formula. Okay. So here I am using n by 2 a plus l, this formula, because we are given the last term. Okay. So a plus l as a nth term equals to 210, because the last term is given to you. Okay. So you have to use accordingly. So n we don't know. A 8 plus l is given to you 62 equals to 210. So n 62 70. This is in denominator, here it will go in numerator. 210 into 2. So n is equals to, it will go in denominator, 210 into 2 divided by 70, 0 to 0, 7 3s are 21, 3 2s are 6. So we got n is equals to 6. So now what we want? The value of d. Okay. So can we write this formula? By a nth term equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay. We can use this formula now because we want d, और d इसी में आता है. This formula we have used one time. अब हमारे पास एक ही और formula बचा, ये वाला. ठीक है, दो ही formula है AP में. So a nth term is given to you 62 equals to a. And we got 6, 6 minus 1, 5. Into d we have to find. So 62 minus 8 will do. Okay. So 62 minus 8, 54 equals to 5d. So d is equals to 54 upon 5. So this is our d. Okay. So quickly we can start our which part? Very good. 8th part we will start. Okay. So what is 8th part? Let us do the 8th part. An equals to 4, d equals to 2, sum of nth term equals to minus 14. Find n and a. Okay. Okay. Now this is given to us. We'll start from there. Sum of nth term equals to minus 14. A nth term L value is given to you. ये L है, तो हम क्या करेंगे? n by 2 a plus L. ये वाला फॉर्मूला रखेंगे इसका. ठीक है. minus 14. n की वैल्यू नहीं दी है, तो वी हैव टू फाइंड n. 2 को मैं यहाँ भेज देती हूँ. ठीक है. तो minus 14 into 2 हो जाएगा. a कितना है? We don't know. L 4. Okay. So from here we have two unknown quantity. Okay. So this I'm just n into a plus 4 equals to minus 14 to the 28. Let me say equation number 1. Now let me substitute the value of this a nth term, and we knows a nth term equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. A nth term is equals to 4. A we don't know, plus n also we don't know. D is 2. So 4 is equals to a plus 2n minus 2. So we'll get 2, you'll bring this side 6. So a plus 2n equals to 6. Equation number 2. इसको भी simplify, इसको भी और ज़्यादा वो कर लो. So open the bracket. So I'll get an plus 4n equals to minus 28. Equation number 1. Okay. So now what we'll get? Find the value of a or n from here. Any of the value. ठीक है. आप second equation से कोई value निकाल लेते हैं. So a equals to 6 minus 2n. a की value निकाल के we'll substitute in equation number 1. Substituting the value of a in equation 1. चलो equation 1 में value substitute करो. a की value 6 minus 2n, bracket लगाओ, n ऐसे ही रहेगा, plus 4n equals to minus 28. Now we will solve this. Okay. So what we'll get? ये equation will just put like this only. Okay. So we have 6n minus 2n square plus 4n equals to minus 28. So minus 2n square plus 10n plus 28 equals to 0. सारे change कर दो इसकी sign we can change. So 2n square minus 10n minus 28 equals to 0. Sign सबके change करेंगे, मतलब minus से इसको multiply. अब इसको 2 से divide कर दो. n square minus 2 5 is 10n minus 2 4 is 8 equals to 0. ठीक है. So now we can simplify this. 14. 7 2 is 14. ठीक है. So n square minus 7n plus 2n minus 14 equals to 0. Splitting method. Okay. 7 minus 2 5. So minus 5 we got. n common लिया, n minus 7 plus 2 common लिया, n minus 7 equals to 0. So n minus 7 and n plus 2 equals to 0. So यहाँ से n equals to 7 आया and n equals to minus 2. n की वैल्यू नेगेटिव नहीं होती है, so what we'll get? n equals to 7. Okay, so substituting the value of n equals to 7 in equation number 2. Okay, so I am writing n cannot be negative, therefore n equals to 7. Now we can write substituting the value of n in equation 2. अब n की वैल्यू 7 है, यहाँ रख दो. a plus 2 into 7 equals to 6. a plus 14 equals to 6. a equals to 6 minus 14. a equals to minus 8. So we got a equals to minus 8. Clear, beta? So you have to keep on doing. I was also keep on doing till the answer was not there. Okay. So only in 8th part a little lengthy calculation is there. Okay. Now our 2 parts are left. Only 2 parts are left. 9th part and 10th part. Okay. So let us quickly do 9th and 10th part also. A equals to 3, n equals to 8, s equals to 192. You have to find the value of d. ठीक है. तो जो दिया है सम वाला उसको लेके चलो. तो सम s of n terms equals to, फॉर्मूला क्या होता है? a n term is not given to you, so n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. क्योंकि अगर l दिया रहता है n term तो शॉर्ट वाला फॉर्मूला यूज करते हैं. Sum of n terms is given 192 equals to n is given to 8. तो sum of 8 terms है, ठीक है. So 2a 3 plus n की वैल्यू 8 minus 1 7. d you have to find. 2 4s are 8. तो 4 को यहाँ ये ब्रैकेट के बाहर है तो इन मल्टीप्लिकेशन में यहाँ के we can write 192 upon 4 equals to 3 2s are 6 plus 7d. Okay. 4 4s are 16. 4 8s are 32 equals to 6 plus 7d. 6 को इधर बैठेंगे minus 6. So 48 minus 6 is equals to 7d. 42 equals to 7d. Therefore d is equals to 42 upon 7 6 are 42. So what we got, d is equals to 6. Okay. So now the last part, happy, of third question we are doing. That means the 10th part of your third question. Okay. So keep on smiling because in this video we are not going to do more questions. We will finish our exercise. Sorry. This video here only. Okay. 10th. n equals to 28. ये क्या है? nth term, last term. Okay. Sum of how many terms are there? n terms. That is 144. And there are total 9 terms. So n is equals to 9. Find the value of a. Okay. So what we should take? This one. So sum of n terms is equals to L is given to you, so you will take a plus L, this formula. Okay. S is given to you 144 equals to number of terms 9 upon 2. A is not given to you, plus L is given to you. So only one unknown, you can easily find. 2 को numerator में, 9 को denominator में. 144 into 2 upon 9 equals to 8 plus 28. It will cancel. 8 9, yes. 9 1s are 9, 5 54, 9 6 are 54, 16 2s are 32 equals to 8 plus 28. So a is equals to 32 minus 28. So a is equals to 4. Okay, so this only we have to find. So what is the value of a? Okay, so hope this is clear to you and you are doing the calculation with me. So we are completing our exercise till here only. Hope you enjoyed the video and don't forget to like and share the video. Till then, thank you very much. Bye bye and take care.